Top 10 Great Places in Dubai You Should Visit. Burj Al Khalifa, known as Burj Dubai before its inauguration, is a mega-tall skyscraper in Dubai, set on an island in a striking sail-shaped building. This luxury hotel is a 5-minute walk from Al Wadi Water Park and 4 kilometers from Mall of the Emirates. The Dubai Museum is the main museum in Dubai. That is the most remarkable place in Dubai. The Dubai Creek is a saltwater creek located in Dubai, United Arab Emirates. It ends at Ras Al Khor Wildlife Sanctuary. The Dubai Mall, also known as the home of the Dubai Shopping Festival, is one of the world's largest shopping malls in United Arab Emirates. The Dubai Marina is a very beautiful district in Dubai that you should visit. The Dubai waterfront, now known as Waterfront, was expected to become the largest waterfront and largest man-made development in the world. The Grand Mosque is a mosque in Dubai, United Arab Emirates. It is located between the Textile Souk and the Dubai Museum. The Palm Jumeirah is an artificial archipelago in United Arab Emirates, created using land reclamation by Nakheel, a company owned by the Dubai government. The Zabil Park is an urban public park located in the Zabil district of Dubai, United Arab Emirates. The park is bounded by Sheikh Rashid Road to the north,